everyone, welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe, and I'm in the mood for the most classic, most fluffiest, most amazing breakfast OG, pancakes. But since this is Saucy Cat, these pancakes are vegan. Let's get into it. I'm actually amazed at how quick these are to whip up. Start with a bowl and add in all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a different container, mix some almond milk and a little apple cider vinegar. Make a divot in our flour and add the milk into it. Mix together until you have a somewhat lumpy batter. Onto the stovetop. Grab a pan and melt down some vegan butter on medium-high. Once the butter is all bubbly, add about a half cup of batter into the middle. Allow the batter to spread out a bit into an even circle. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes until you see a bunch of bubbles appear on the batter. Check to see that the underside is starting to brown, then carefully flip the pancake over. Cook the other side for another 1 to 2 minutes until brown. Transfer the freshly cooked pancake to a plate and continue frying up the rest of the batter. And now that you have a towering stack of pancakes, grab your butter and syrup and plate this dish. This is the most extreme plate I've ever had. There's nothing about these I don't love. They're easy to make, they're fluffy, they're buttery, they're pancakes. Well, that does it for today. Let me know how you top your pancakes down in the comments. Like and subscribe so you don't miss any future dishes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. There's nothing about these that I don't love. They are fluffy, they're buttery, and they're just
on the floor.
on the floor.